My dear technician, welcome back to my new video. Check this out. One of my customer brought this phone to me for repair. My dear technician, check this out. Let me turn on the phone for you guys to see the problem of the phone. My dear technician, check this out. Check this out, my dear technician. Check this out. You can see the error message. My dear technician, the phone keeps showing this error message whenever this phone is turned on. So the owner of the phone could not be able to use the phone. My dear technician, the first thing, I opened the phone and I removed the battery. I asked her some question. Is this the original battery of the phone? She says yes. And I was like, wow, good. So I have to put the battery again and then check something. My dear technician, check this out. I have to clean the battery pin. Check this out. My dear technician, check this out. You can see I first of all clean the NTC before I clean the positive pin. It's important, you have to do so, and also clean the battery connector. So this is the first method. If not working, I have a lot of methods to fix this issue. My dear technician, check this out. Check this out, my dear technician. You can see that it's still showing, it's not working, it's still showing. My dear technician, battery is one of the problems that can cause this issue. So I'm going to drop this battery and then use my own battery to test. If this my own battery works fine, that means she will change the battery. My dear technician, let me turn on the phone now for you guys to see. Check this out. If you have any question, feel free, let me know in the comment section. I'll answer your question. Let me turn on the phone now to see if it's going to work. My dear technician, like I said, if you have any question, feel free, let me know in the comment section. My dear technician, check this out. You can see that it works. You can see that it works. The battery is the problem. My dear technician, please take note. Please, I'm begging you, take note. Whenever you see error message like this, always try another battery. Okay? Always try another battery. You can see I'm putting the carry-on battery now. I'm putting the carry-on battery now, which is the original battery of the phone. Let's see if the error message will still show. Check this out. You can see the error message is still showing. My dear technician, I will tell her to change the battery to get a new battery.